Hi guys, today we're going to be solving two-step trig functions. So the first thing I do is identify my theta angle 63 degrees. I'm going to quickly draw my arrows so that I know what sides to label. So this is going to be my opposite side. Across the 90 degrees is our hypotenuse side. And then our adjacent side, which we'll be looking for today, is going to be labeled x. I'm going to use tangent for this example. So I'm going to create my tangent function. So the tangent of 63 degrees. I'm going to make sure to put it over 1 so we can create that ratio. Is equal to O, which is our 10 over X. I'm going to cross multiply here and here so that I get the tangent of 63 degrees times X is equal to, and I know 10 times 1 is 10. Tangent of 63 degrees is 1.96, so I'm left with 1.96 times X. And the reason why we call this a two-step equation is because now we need to isolate X. So we do the inverse operation. We divide both sides by 1.96. Divide this side by 1.96. These cancel out, and X, we're left with 5.1. And that is how you solve a two-step trig function.